Hey guys, hi, good morning, welcome to the class. This is me once again, Sona Singh. Welcome to an academy. Let's crack foundation and NTC channel. And guys, before I begin the class, if you haven't already downloaded our Unacademy app, फटाफट download करो. Use करो code Sona05. Now, why do I ask you to use the code Sona05? Better because कोड यूज करते ही आपको ये सारे स्पेशल क्लासेस एंड बहुत सारे और स्पेशल क्लास का एक्सेस मिल जाता है. यू कैन सी इस पूरे सितंबर में हम रिप्रोडक्शन खत्म करके जेनेटिक्स का लेक्चर स्टार्ट कर देंगे, राइट? सो हाउ डू यू गेट द नोटिफिकेशंस? अनअकैडमी का ऐप पे जाइए, मेरा नाम सर्च कीजिए सोना सिंह, क्लिक ऑन फॉलो. फॉलो करने से आपको इन सभी क्लासेस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते हैं. रिमेंबर गाइज, यू कैन फाइंड ऑल ऑफ दीज क्लासेस ऑन माई प्रोफाइल इटसेल्फ, है ना? मेरे प्रोफाइल पे आपको ये सारी क्लासेस मिल जाती है, राइट? सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक दैट आउट. नाउ व्हाई स्पेशल क्लासेस ओवर यूट्यूब? बेटा बिकॉज स्पेशल क्लासेस में रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शंस होता है, 10-15 सेकंड का कोई लैग नहीं. पोल्स, quizzes, leaderboards, and a lot of question and answering that can happen over there, right? So guys, welcome to the class. Remember, this is a schedule. YouTube की short classes 15-15 मिनट की सुबह 8:30 बजे recorded form में. YouTube की live classes रात को 8 बजे Tuesday to Saturday. Special classes 3 बजे और 3 बजे Wednesday and Friday, जो कि अभी मैंने दिखाया आपको. Plus classes is there. दिस इज द ट्रैकर, जहां से आप सारी क्लासेस को ट्रैक कर सकते हो. आपको कहीं इधर उधर भागने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपका ट्रैकर कुछ ऐसा ही दिखेगा, राइट? सो गाइस, आई एम गोइंग टू स्विच ओवर टू नाउ द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे, दैट इज द आईबीओ क्वेश्चन, है ना? हमें एक आईबीओ क्वेश्चन करना है आज. और आज का आईबीओ क्वेश्चन में क्या है? आई होप यू रिमेंबर. टाइटल देखा ही होगा, ऑक्सीडेटिव फॉस्फोराइलेशन. सो गाइस, फटाफट पहले क्या करेंगे? पहले दिस इज वेयर यू पुश द पॉज बटन एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ. आप खुद से इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, एंड इफ यू कैन नॉट, डोंट वरी, आई एम देयर टू हेल्प यू, राइट? बट फर्स्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ, राइट? सो आई होप you must have pushed the pause button and you have probably solved it already. So I will give you first a preview of what happens in cellular respiration. हमारे cellular respiration में होता क्या है? I hope you remember glucose is an oxidizable substrate. उसको ऑक्सीडाइज करते हैं, मतलब लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है. तो ग्लूकोज अंडरगोज ग्लाइकोलाइसिस. ग्लाइकोलाइसिस उससे क्या बनता है? पाइरूवेट. कहाँ बनता है? साइटोप्लाज्म में. पाइरूवेट को फर्दर हम तोड़ते हैं. अगर हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन का अवेलेबिलिटी है, सो पाइरूवेट अंडरगोज लिंक रिएक्शन, और लिंक रिएक्शन से बना लेता है वो एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए. एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए फर्दर एंटर्स क्रेब्स साइकिल. फर्दर एंटर्स क्रेब्स साइकिल, राइट? क्रेब्स साइकिल आपको देता है CO2 and some H2O. बट एट ईच स्टेप, हर एक स्टेप, चाहे ग्लाइकोलाइसिस हो, लिंक रिएक्शन हो या क्रेब्स साइकिल हो, आप हर एक स्टेप पे एक की मॉलिक्यूल प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो. और वो की मॉलिक्यूल क्या है? NADH. आपका क्रेब्स साइकिल FADH2 भी रिलीज करता है. नाउ डायरेक्ट एटीपी भी बनता है. आपको मैं बता दूं, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू दैट डायरेक्ट एटीपी, 2 ATPs is formed here, right? There's ATP formation even here that's happening, but very less. Majority of ATP formation is dependent on NADH and FADH2. You'll ask, sir, how does this magic happen? So let me remind you that all of this NADH and FADH2 is shuttled inside the inner mitochondrial membrane. All of this NADH and FADH2, they are here. They are produced. Krebs cycle happens in mitochondrial matrix. So when these guys lose electron, right? They lose electron, they become NAD plus FAD plus, right? Now this electron runs through the membrane, but while it is running through the inner mitochondrial membrane, it is accumulating H plus outside, right? It is accumulating H plus outside between the inner mitochondrial membrane and the outer mitochondrial membrane. This H plus powers a protein. This H plus powers a protein called, yes, ATP synthase, right? This H plus powers a protein called ATP synthase. So ADP plus phosphate turns to make ATP, right? So the electron journey is called as ETC, electron transport chain, and the ATP formation beta, that is called as oxidative phosphorylation. Why? We are adding a phosphate, that's why phosphorylation. The energy for addition of the phosphate comes from the oxidation, loss of electrons, right? That is why we have named it oxidation. Now also the electron is finally given, the electron at the end is finally given to oxygen plus H plus, which forms water, right? Okay, so this is the summary of cellular respiration. If you are still confused, you can go to the tracker and study this in detail. Now let us look at the question, right? Now we'll look at the question. When isolated mitochondria are suspended in a buffer is a solution that manages the pH, containing ADP and phosphate and oxidizable substrate. This oxidizable substrate could be what? What is this? It could be glucose. We don't know what it is. It could be glucose, right? ADP and phosphate are required so that if you have enough NADH and FADH2, they can combine to form ATP. So you have the requisites of making ATP. Very good. 3 easily measured processes occurs. Now while this experiment is being conducted, we are measuring 3 things. What are those? The substrate is oxidized. Oxygen is consumed because oxygen is the final electron acceptor and ATP is synthesized. Okay, very good. Bingo. Cyanide is an inhibitor of the passage of electron to the oxygen. So we just said that NADH and FADH2, they lose their electrons, right? NADH and FADH2, they lose their electrons, right? And this electron is finally given to oxygen. And the same process creates a proton motive force, creates a concentration of H plus between the intermembrane space, right? You should remember that, okay? So cyanide is an inhibitor of passage of electrons to oxygen. So if there is cyanide, no water formation, right? No consumption of oxygen. Makes sense. Oligomycin inhibits ATP synthase. So if only oligomycin is there, what could you expect? Even though there is a gradient, proton motive force is there, the oligomycin will not allow ATP synthase to work, hence no ATP synthesis. Another, 2,4-dinitrophenol DNP. Don't worry about what is 2,4-dinitrophenol, forget about it. Can diffuse readily across mitochondrial membrane and release a proton into the matrix, thus dissipating the proton gradient. Now we understood how important is the proton gradient. This proton gradient drives the ATP synthase, right beta? This is ATP synthase, this is the ATP synthase, and ATP synthase, the ATP pump is driven by what? The proton motive force, the concentration of H plus ions. But this DNP, right? So let me summarize everything written here. Cyanide, okay? Cyanide is going to do what? It is going to reduce the electron transport chain. Okay, very good. What is oligomycin going to do? Oligomycin is going to kill ATP synthase. Okay, and DNP, what is DNP going to do? Well, DNP is going to decrease the proton motive force. Now, proton motive force and ATP synthase, those are direct drivers of oxidative phosphorylation. Yani, if either of them is there, if ATP synthase is reduced or the hydrogen ion concentration gradient, the difference of the hydrogen ions, if those are different, then the oxidative phosphorylation is going to reduce. So this is a summary of what the question wants to tell you. I hope you were able to do this. Okay. Now let's look at the graph. So time, okay. A, B, we are trying to measure some things, right? What are we trying to measure? The bold line tells you how much oxygen is consumed. That means has electron reached the end, and the dotted line tells you is ATP or is there a synthesis of ATP happening. That means is there a proton motive force and is there the functional ATP synthesis. Very simple, right? Now I'm going to bring all of this here so that we can compare all of this. And now we can compare all of this. So I'm going to just stick it here. Okay, just for our clarity. Now I'm going to read all of the statements one by one. You have to first mark it true or false and you have to give your explanations. I hope this makes sense. No, nothing fishy here, hai na? Nothing fishy. Okay. So X is the oxidizable substrate. Now we see as soon as you bring in X, oxygen consumption spoofs up, speeds up, ATP synthesis speeds up. This makes sense, right? If only you have fuel, only if you have fuel, as we just saw here, glucose will break into pyruvate, pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A into Krebs cycle, and only then you get the NADH and FADH2, which will run the ETC and oxidative phosphorylation. Hence, because both the oxygen consumption, that means the ETC, and ATP synthesis, that means the oxidative phosphorylation, because both of these are working, just fine, that means we have to say that this is a true statement. Easy, right? Y is either oligomycin or cyanide. So we see as soon as we put in Y, जैसे ही Y डाला, both oxygen consumption and ATP synthesis has stopped working, right? So oxygen consumption could stop when there is cyanide, right? So if ETC stops, obviously oxidative phosphorylation does stop, right? And yes, Y could be cyanide. Could Y also be your oligomycin? Yes. Why? Because the ATP synthesis is slowing down. Oxidative phosphorylation, ATP consumption is slowing down. So it could be Y, it could be cyanide or oligomycin. Yes, both is true. So I'll say it's a true statement. Z or Z is DNP, dinitro whatever. Now what do we see when we take Z? Our ATP synthesis, right? No, oxygen consumption, sorry guys. Oxygen consumption is still happening. That means ETC is working fine, right? ETC is working fine. Let me just write it here. ETC is fine. But ATP is not working, right? And we saw that DNP is the only one that can deactivate the proton motive force, right? So this also makes sense. Let us also mark it as true, because oxygen release is happening because you have enough electrons being given to oxygen. If Z is a mixture, if Z is a mixture of oligomycin and DNP, the ATP synthesis will not level off. Now we can see it's a mixture of oligomycin and DNP, right? Oligomycin reduces the activity of ATP synthase, DNP reduces the PMF. It's a mixture. How can ATP synthesis not level off, right? ATP synthesis will level off because you are not only inhibiting the enzyme, ATP synthase, you are also reducing the power for that enzyme, that is the PMF, proton motive force. So this is a false statement. This is straight away false statement. So guys, आप देख पा रहे हैं that these questions are really easy. All you need to do is make sure that you're reading things very, very carefully, right? I hope this helped. Now, once again, I would like you to understand that, guys, according to our schedules, the morning 10 to 15-minute classes, like the one that happened just right now, are meant to cover one concept at a time, practice questions, review NCRT, and things like that. And the night 8 p.m. live classes are meant to give you in-depth knowledge. How can you track all the lectures? Here, this is what the lists look like. So cells, diversity, biology fundamentals, life processes, everything is there. And you can find links for other lectures as well. KVPY lectures, NCRT explainers, diagram videos that I'm uploading. So guys, you realize Unacademy gives you a lot of benefit. The best way to access Unacademy is plus. घर बैठे बैठे पढ़ना है, कहीं जाके there is no time waste going to happen, no आने जाने में time waste, unlimited access to courses to your particular category, top educators, हर चौथी class becomes a doubt clearing class, there's a lot of practice, you can learn in your own choice, study material आपको मिलता है कहीं से भी कभी भी सब कुछ. How do you do this? Go for your particular category and go for a lamba subscription. Why I am saying lamba subscription beta? Because lamba subscription से आपका per month pricing you can see reduces to a meager 800 per month. उसके ऊपर if you add the code SONA05, additional 10% off, 722 only. That's also a big deal, right? Now, if you want a bit more help, what you can do is you can go for Iconic subscription. Iconic में plus के सारे benefits मिलते हैं. उसके अलावा you get a personal mentor, live doubt solving, weekly reports, parental connect, and study planning activities. ये कैसे लेना है? Once again the same deal. Choose your category, go for a subscription period जो बड़ा हो. इससे क्या होता है? आपको advantage मिलता है. किसका? एक्स्ट्रा 10% ऑफ का, राइट? सो बेटा ये बैच अभी अभी लॉन्च हुआ था 16 तारीख को, अभी भी आप इसमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, बिकॉज बीइंग अ प्लस और आइकॉनिक मेंबर गिव्स यू एक्सेस टू अनअकैडमी आस्क अ डाउट. मतलब कि आप इसमें हाई क्वालिटी इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस आपको मिलते हैं. जो पुराने क्वेश्चंस हैं आप वहां से डायरेक्टली पिक भी कर सकते हो. होमवर्क हेल्प चाहिए वो भी मिलेगा. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज क्लिक अ पिक्चर, अपलोड इट, चूज अ सब्जेक्ट, बिंगो, योर जॉब इज डन, है ना? अब बेटा एक बार में एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछना, पूरा क्वेश्चंस का एक पेज मत छाप देना, पूरा पूछना. क्वेश्चन विजिबल होना चाहिए, रीडेबल होना चाहिए, राइट? ऑल ऑफ दोज जनरल सेंस थिंग्स. Now guys, we also have bugs bounty. If you find some inappropriate content or conduct, you can report it and obviously will reward you for it. So guys, use the Unacademy app and my code SONA05 to access all of my lectures, right? Download कीजिए app, search for my name, click on follow, because follow करने से ही आपको मेरे सारे special classes का notifications आएगा, right? And if you like the video, make sure video like करना, share करना और सब्सक्राइब करना तो बिल्कुल मत भूलना. एंड बाय प्रेसिंग द बेल आइकन यू इंश्योर दैट आपके पास सारे नोटिफिकेशंस आएंगे. सो आई विल मीट यू पीपल टुमारो विद अनदर सच इंटरेस्टिंग क्लास. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.